Hello friends, welcome to the new video. It's me Sajad. This is Captain Zeb, experienced fisherman. This is Umar, experienced rock fisherman. And this is Fishing Dawn, CB. Be with us and enjoy Kawakawa Bay Fishing Adventure episode 3. What was the pay lagi?
Yeah, we'll go.
Straight away, look at this big fish.
Oh. We still have bait. This bait here, but it's up to you guys. We're done. We're done.
Look at this big fish, bro.
What is it?
Yeah, it's just a kingfish.
Yeah.
يلا we try and go inshallah.
Look.
Oh. Now they start. The most stupid timing we have ever come to Mussels Farm. In a dead low tide wasting time. Look what you did. Pull the bloody thing up, Papa. Pull it up, Sajjad.
This is what I say, the big fish started.
Yes.
Wow.
Oh, mashallah.
Look at this, man.
Yes, you don't beat Captain
Everyone make wudu.
Don't worry.
Look at this, is more than 2 times
Yes,
the one we caught.
Last time, no, we got better,
Put bigger.
bigger. I measured at home 5 kg, the one I got it.
Big fish started, bro.
But this good size, mashallah.
Yeah,
Are you recording?
yeah.
No, he's supposed to pull the fish up.
Oh my god. My gosh. How many kilos? Maybe 4.
He's a beauty.
Oh, mashallah. How big?
Around 4. Same like that
Wow.
one we caught it last time.
Oh, yes.
Very good fish.
The one ran away from me, that, eh?
Oh.
Yeah, that's the one I caught last year. Wait.
The female one too.
Mashallah.
Like that's okay.
Yeah, but mashallah, come up. Finally, this, yes.
Oh.
Here we go, Lala. Yes,
Sweep it up.
this is what happened.
Camera on.
Yeah.
Sweep it up.
Yeah, man. This is the one.
Ooh.
Alhamdulillah. As long as it's inside the boat,
That's the difference, brother. Okay.
Sibi. Uma. Then Sibi will complain. Finally, Sibi caught a
Big one.
legal one.
No, it's
Yeah, take it out. Yeah, I got 2 more waiting down there. What?
Mashallah. Very good.
Sabes que me la gusta kana.
Lagi dale.
Que dejo acá kana sotao. Share for kare.
Lagi dale. You save the screen there wide the. I just dasim goram taso pakira de.
go to the Mussels hut. No, junk, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, I got it too. No way.
You go one.
Yeah, that's.
Why am I like this, Michael?
want you to record you, so your viewer can see you always crying. And we catching fish.
Open from your side.
Look at this now.
Right, you guys want me to catch fish? Watch this. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I
See
change
me?
my rod. I change my line. I'll show you niggas how to Bismillah. By the will of Allah. Let's go.
Now what about this one? Sibiu go raha.
What is it?
Sahi dekha na tat.
See you're rolling.
Yeah, I think you will get
Anchor.
yes, as far as
Let's go, let's go. Bring it. Don't do that, brother. Just bring it up. Alhamdulillah, it's a size.
خلاص 70.
خلاص يعني. This is the hole, yes. It's a hole?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's all, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, you will find the big fish here.
You want me to drop the anchor?
Yes.
Yeah, drop it quickly.
Since you're not satisfied, Sajjad, and we're still here, and you only pick your 75 now, well, they buy over there for 75.
No, 75 is too big, brother. The one we caught, it's maybe 40.
40, yes.
That's maybe 40. That one in size ko kana.
What about that was 61 to 62?
Na, jise vardi. Da gora da sugura.
That's size.
It's a wide but short.
Yeah, you can hold it and throw small one.
Yes, do that now. I'll give him permission.
Ngil badang bad. Oh no, that camera.
See this?
Yeah. Size, throw it inside. Hey, Aboma, open it, brother.
Just wait a minute, bro.
Tentos no broken.
And that also